Welcome to a detailed look at the iconic Pontiac 400 V8. From 1967 to 1978, this 6.6-liter V8 was Pontiac's muscle car engine, known for its power. Debuting in 1967, it replaced the 389, resulting in 400.4 cubic inches. The 400 was among the last legendary Pontiac big block V8s. Power varied from 290 to 370 horsepower. The Ram Air 4 from 1969 to 1970 boasted 370 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. This engine powered Pontiacs like the Firebird and GTO models. For performance, upgrades like long tube headers are recommended. Common issues included cracked blocks and oil leak problems. Despite minor issues, the Pontiac 400 remains celebrated for its design and performance. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe for more automotive content.